So let us do one more problem based on trigonometric identities, and this problem is almost similar model to the previous problem. Okay, let us see what the problem is. See here, cot theta plus tan theta equal to x and secant theta minus cos theta equal to y. Then prove that x square y whole power 2 by 3 minus xy square whole power 2 by 3 equal to 1. We need to show that. Okay. Is it looking like is it looking like a previous model or not? It is same as that. Okay, almost similar. So we can solve it very easily. Also we can get a good practice over the previous pattern. Okay, so anyways, just do. So what we have to do here? Here our target is our target is to find out the value of x and value of y in simplified pattern. Simplified pattern in the sense in terms of sine and cos. Okay, then we need to take the LHS part of this equation and we need to get RHS part. That's it. So we have to take here x. Okay, let me find out first. Okay, cot theta plus tan theta equal to x. Okay, so cot theta plus tan theta equal to x. I just want to write a cot theta in terms of tan. Can we write this cot theta as 1 by tan theta or not? Yes, plus tan theta equal to x. Here cot theta can be written as 1 by tan theta because cot theta and tan thetas are reciprocals of one another. Okay, so therefore here this is written as this. Now in order to simplify this, we are going to take the LCM of our LHS part. See, how can we take LCM here? 1 plus tan theta into tan theta, that is tan square theta by tan theta. Okay, equal to what? X. Now consider the identity. Okay, recall the identity. Secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. Replacing this tan square theta to other side, how can we write it? Secant square theta minus becomes plus 1 plus tan square theta. So wherever the 1 plus tan square theta is written, we can replace that with secant square theta, right? So anyways, this can be replaced with what? Secant square theta. So secant square theta by tan theta equal to x. Now if you want to further do the modification in terms of sine and cos, let us do this. Here secant square theta can be written as what? 1 by cos square theta or not? Exactly, 1 by cos square theta. Okay, divided by tan theta can be written in form of what? Sin theta by cos theta, because we want to convert each and every term of this given all equations in sin and cos so that it can be simplified. Okay, so just see here sin theta by cos theta. Sin theta by cos theta. Now here, since here numerator is also fraction, denominator is also fraction, denominator will be this fraction get inverse, which is there in the denominator. Okay, this is equal to x. Okay, so now what happens? See this 1 by cos square theta into here cos theta will goes up and sin theta will comes under denominator. So cos theta, this get inverse. Okay, sin theta. Now here cos theta is there in numerator and cos square theta is there in denominator, so we can cancel one of the cos theta. What is left over then? X. So I am writing this x on this side. X is equal to, what did we obtain? Tell me. X equal to, here cos theta and sin theta are left in the denominator part. So here cos theta sin theta. So this is what the value of x in terms of sin and cos. Let me take this condition, secant theta minus cos theta equal to y. So what is secant theta? 1 by cos theta or not? It can be written as 1 by cos theta. Why I am writing like this? Because I want to convert all the terms into sin and coses, sin and cos angles. Okay, now just see here 1 by cos theta I wrote here. In order to simplify this, I am taking LCM. So 1 minus cos theta into cos theta, that would be cos square theta. Okay, just wait. This is cos square theta by cos theta equal to y. according to sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. How can we write this? Sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Replace this cos square theta to that side, then what happens? Sin square theta equal to 1 minus cos square theta or not? Yes. So we can write sin square theta in place of what? 1 minus cos square theta. So here sin square theta, okay, by cos theta. This is sin square theta by this is cos theta equal to y. So we simplified the values of x and y in terms of sin and cos. Obtain the value of x and obtain the value of y in terms of sin thetas and cos thetas. Okay. Now let us do further. Okay, we have x, we have y. Now what we need to prove? We need to prove that x square y whole power 2 by 3 minus xy square whole power 2 by 3 equal to 1. So we need to take this LHS part and RHS part we need to obtain 1. So take LHS. What is that? X square y. So I am writing small letters. Okay. 2 whole power 2 by 3 plus xy square whole to the power of 2 by 3. Okay. Sorry, not plus, this is minus. Okay. Now let us put down the values of x and y which we find here. X square y. What is x? See this here. I am writing very slowly. Just x value is 1 by cos theta sin theta. Okay. We said x square, no? So we can put the square to it. We put the square here. Okay. Into this is x square. Y. What is value of y? Sin square theta by cos square theta. Cos theta. Sin square theta by cos theta. What I did now? Tell me. Here we said x square y, no? This is x and this is x square. I put square and y value is sin square theta by cos theta. This is x square y. To this whole power how much is given? 2 by 3. Whole power 2 by 3. Okay. Minus xy square. Xy square. What is that xy square? Tell me guys here. Xy square. X is 1 by cos theta sin theta. One by cos theta sin theta. Y square. Y square means to this square only, no? Sin square theta by cos theta. For this we need to write whole square. To entire this expression we need to write whole power 2 by 3 as it is given. So we have just substituted. Okay, now just do the simplification. This square can be applied to each and every term. So here we can write 1 by cos square theta sin square theta, okay, into sin square theta by cos theta, okay, whole to the power of how much? 2 by 3 minus. Here again 1 by cos theta sin theta. Okay. Here sin square theta whole square. This square can be applied for both the numerator and denominator parts. So sin square theta whole square, that would be your sin power 4 theta by cos theta whole square, that is cos square theta. Okay. Whole to the power of how much? 2 by 3. Now we may do the simplification for further. What is further simplification over here? Here denominator part is sin, there is sin square theta in denominator part and numerator part also. We can cancel that. Now what is left over here? Tell me. 1 by, okay, cos square theta into cos theta. 1 by cos cube theta, which is left over here. 1 by cos cube theta whole to the power of how much? 2 by 3 minus. Here also sin, see in this part we have sin power 4 theta. Okay. In this part we have sin power 4 theta. Here we have sin theta. We can cancel one of the sin theta or not? Okay. Cos square theta is here and cos theta is here. Sin power 4 theta is here. కంటిన్యూ చేయొచ్చు. ఓకే, ఇక్కడ కొంచెం ఆ పాస్ అయింది కట్ చేసి మిగతాది కంటిన్యూ చేసేయండి. సో నౌ how can we write it? Here 1 sin theta can be cancelled over here or not? Just see, this is 1 sin theta will be cancelled and sin cube theta will be left over, and here cos theta and cos square theta, that is cos cube theta or not, just write it down. Sin cube theta is left on numerator part, left in the numerator part, means sin power 4 theta out of sin 4 theta, 1 sin theta is cancelled, sin cube theta is left over. Now cos theta into cos square theta, that is cos cube theta whole to the power of 2 by 3, whole to the power of 2 by 3. Okay, for the clarity I will write the next step here. Just see, 1 by cos cube theta is what? Actually 1 by cos cube theta is secant cube theta or not? Why? Because 1 by cos theta is secant theta. Okay, cos and secant are reciprocals of each other. So secant cube theta, this can be written as secant cube theta whole to the power of how much? 2 by 3, because there is 2 by 3 inside in that. Okay, minus cos cube theta by sin cube theta. Cos, what is the ratio between cos theta? What does it represent? What is the ratio of cos theta, sin theta and cos theta? Sin theta by cos theta represents tan theta. Okay, so sin cube theta by cos cube theta will be tan cube theta. Okay, so this is tan cube theta whole to the power of 2 by 3. Now we came to point. Okay, just see, I am recalling one property, one law of exponent once again, a to the power of m whole to the power of n, which can be written as what? A to the power of m n, means when this whole power, when power to the power property is there, no, what can we do? Here we can multiply these two powers. Okay, here also this is written in the same form or not? Here secant cube theta whole to the power of 2 by 3. So what can we do here? Secant theta whole to the power of 2 into 2 by 3 we can multiply or not? Okay, sorry, secant power 3. Okay, minus tan theta whole cube into 2 by 3 also we can write, no? So here 3's are cancelled and here also 3's are cancelled. So what can we say here? Secant theta whole square, that means secant square theta, minus here tan theta whole square, that is tan square theta. So dear students, here what did we obtain? Is it a standard trigonometric identity or not? Secant square theta minus tan square theta, and obviously I think you know about value of this would be 1. So we took LHS part as x square y whole power 2 by 3 minus xy square whole power 2 by 3 as LHS part, and in terms of sin and cos which are simplified over here, and we obtained the value of it as 1, which is exactly RHS that we need to find. So hence it is proved. Okay, we proved it. So in this video both the problems, two problems are of similar pattern. Okay, so I think you would have understood this, and you need to practice these patterns very well, because there is a chance of getting this pattern of the questions in board exam. Okay, so anyways, I think you might have enjoyed this problem, and once again I am telling you guys to please mention anything else if you want from us, and if you are having any doubts, then please mention in the comment box. We'll definitely go through them, and we consider the valid comments, and based on that we'll try to make the videos in better levels. Anyways, for today this is it.
Please subscribe and don't forget to click the bell icon for the more updates. Please subscribe and don't forget to click the bell icon for the more updates.